Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that viewers, in yesterday's video, I informed you that reports are being received from Tigray supporters that Tigray Defense Force soldiers have entered in Ebnet and Addis Zaman. Viewers, and I told you that so far there was no statement from Tigray Defense Force about it. But according to the latest reports from Tigray Defense Force, that Tigray Defense Force soldiers are currently in the MD work, and now Tigray Defense Force advancing towards Ibnet and Addis Zaman. Viewers, according to reports from Tigray Defense Force, Amhara forces have destroyed the bridge between Amdevark and Ibnet in order to prevent Tigray Defense Force advance towards Ibnet and Addis Zaman. Viewers, reportedly, Tigray Defense Force soldiers have reached near the destroyed bridge, and according to several other sources, Tigray Defense Force is trying to make the bridge again. As I have already informed you that if Tigray Defense Force takes control of Addis Zaman, then the situation of ongoing war will change on every front in Amhara region. On the other hand, according to the reports from several sources, more Eritrean soldiers deployed in Amhara region to fight against Tigray Defense Force after deployed 4 divisions of Eritrean army. Viewers, according to some journalists, more chances that more Eritrean troops will be deployed in Addis Zaman or Varita on A3 highway to defend Amhara capital Behirdar. Viewers, on the other hand, according to Tigray Defense Force Central Command, Tigray Defense Forces from 8 to 15th September undertook successful military operations against Ethiopian and Amhara forces, killing in Amhara region, and according to Tigray Defense Force, in ongoing war, Tigray Defense Force killed 4,895 soldiers of Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies, and more than 5,600 soldiers wounded, and capturing tens of prisoners of wars. Viewers, along with this, captured various munitions. Tigray Defense Force Central Command claimed that from 8 to 11th September, Tigray forces have destroyed Amhara Special Forces, Abe, Tana, and Gafat brigades, as well as a small contingent of the Theodoros brigades and more than 10,000 ragtag militias advancing from Sikiota and Bugna to retake Lalibela, Gashina, and ultimately Debre Zabit, and said that more than 1,500 combatants of Amhara forces and its allies were killed and more than 2,000 wounded by Tigray Defense Force. Viewers, and Tigray forces have destroyed 18 vehicles and an ammunition depot, as well as capturing numerous small arms and light weapons of Ethiopian National Defense Force. Viewers, they have also took control of the town of Kombi, used by the Amhara forces as a military base. And Tigray Defense Force Central Command claimed that from 8th to 10th September in Debre Zabit, Tigray Defense Force successfully defended an offensive by Ethiopian National Defense Force 33rd, 34th, and 54th divisions, as well as small units of the Amhara forces, and killed more than 3,000 soldiers and 3,200 soldiers were wounded, and destroying a tank and capturing various ammunitions. Viewers, Tigray Defense Force took control of Kozba and Chile towns. From 13th to 15th September, Tigray Defense Force killed 110 combatants of Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies, and several wounded. US Tigray Defense Force more claimed that there were also small engagements in MD work with Amhara brigades, Tana, Takeze, and Theodoros. And here, 260 soldiers of Amhara were killed and 210 wounded as the Tigray Defense Force took control of MD work. And from 13th to 14th September, Tigrayan forces have taken control of Gorbo Abiu, a strategic position in southeast of Marsa. And in this battle, Ethiopian National Defense Force 62nd Division's unit was destroyed by Tigray forces, and Tigray Defense Force killed more than 100 and more than 100 wounded. And Tigray Defense Force have also repulsed an Ethiopian National Defense Force attack in Gogdo Shika. So viewers, so far the latest update. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.